Joy Ma Bogula Mukhi Devir Joy. Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Bigyan. By the grace of Ma Bogula Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measures that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike. And I will say again, this is a one-day video, so if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. And if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new to this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit, and you will definitely benefit from this channel. However, without further ado, let's start with today's horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measures. Today 22nd October and 2020. Let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. In this day, the people who are associated with advanced technology, they will be on a new rise today, and you will be interested in art and literature also. Today you can initiate your dream project, and it will be very good for you, and which people will favor you. Your surprise will be pleased with your working style and quality for this day, and your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. Today obviously keep a very good relation with any of street dog, and obviously feed him at the beginning of the day. Then let's talk about the second sign of the zodiac, Taurus. You are advised to avoid buying a new property today. It will be very harmful to you if you buy it today. Abstain yourself from every continuous issues, and obviously avoid using harsh words today. Be aware, you may lose your attention from some of your important works during this day, and obviously you should try to avoid laziness, otherwise you will lose very good things from your life today. Your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. Today obviously do not make any kind of false promises, and do not speak ill to others. Be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. Then let's talk about the third sign of the zodiac, Gemini. Today you will be beneficial by some government schemes in your life, and you will get the desired profit in your business, and you may get a new jobs also. The uncertainty about an important work can end today, so be careful about these things, and students can seek their seniors help, and it will be very good for you. Your life partner will give you some important advice to improve your career, so don't ignore her or his word to improve yourself. Your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. Today you also keep a very good relation with any kind of a street dog, and obviously feed him or her at the beginning of the day. Then let's talk about the Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. You have to work harder in your office today, and satisfy your plate with delicious food, but take care of your digestion as well during this day. Some complex tasks will be on your priority, and you will try your best to finish them earlier during this day. Some unexpected financial gain is frozen for you. So be careful about these things. And your lucky number for the day is 5. And there is a remedy for you today. Obviously donate some milk and sugar made product to anyone else before starting your daily routine. Then let's talk about the Leo, the 5th sign of the zodiac. You will get a very good success in your competition exam during this day, and obviously take a special care of all activities of your children's, and you will be inspired to enhance your talent today. The relationship with business partners can be cordial, so be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. And obviously your friends' advice will be very useful for you during this day. Your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, throw some yellow objects in any running water, river, or in any pond, and it will be very good for you to improve your career. Then let's talk about the 6th sign of the zodiac, Virgo. Obviously leave your dependency on other people to take your business forward, and obviously cut down your unnecessary expenses also for this day. You might face some big problem in your educational life also. So try to ensure that children don't get distracted from their studies. If you have done something inappropriate earlier, now people can take a revenge to you. So be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. Your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. Today, throw molasses in some running water, river, or in any pond, and it will give you some good news to improve your career during this day. Then let's talk about the 7th sign of the zodiac, Libra. You are advised to safely invest in your accumulated wealth during this day, and you will obey your elders. Be careful. And people will be attracted by your behavior today. So keep your behavior towards other people very good. And there are obviously some big chances of a handsome gain in your business. Some unmarried people likely to plan their marriage during this day, and it will be very good for them. Your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, if you go to the any temple or in any religious place and bow your head to the God, it will give you a very good results to improve your career. Then let's talk about Scorpio, the 8th sign of the zodiac. Stars are favorable today for those people who are associated with law and banking professions, and you may enjoy outing with your family during this day. Some people can deliberately misinterpret your good suggestions, and your language will sound sweet to the ears during this day. And your influence among family members are likely to increase very much. And your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. Today, tie white and black sesame seeds in a piece of colored cloth and keep it with you for a whole day, and it will give you some improve of your health and wealth also. Then let's talk about Sagittarius, the 9th sign of the zodiac. In this day, will get fruitful results of your prior experience, and obviously there will be a plan to take the elderly people of the house on pilgrims, and people who are associated to share market will get a sudden monetary gain in their life during this day, and you will be able to speak your heart to your lover, your spouse also, and you are advised to keep your tendency to learn something new during this day. And your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. Today you will not be a bad character, and obviously keep a very good character to improve your financial sectors. Then let's talk about Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. In this day, film and media persons may face some copyright related matter with their life, so be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. And obviously, because as while doing any paperwork during this day, you may suffer some insomnia due to chaotic lifestyle of you. And obviously, do not carry some expensive items during your journey for this day. And your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, you also keep a very good relation with any black street dog and feed them as early as possible. I mean to say at the beginning of the day. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. You will be overcome with all type of financial problems and career instability during this day, and you may make up your mind to purchase some new items in your life. And as a couple, you will enjoy more romantic moments during this day, and you will be very successful in all of your tasks despite the excessive work pressures during this day. And there will be some tranquil atmosphere in your home. So enjoy the day, and your lucky number for the day is 9, and there is a remedy for you. Today, obviously fill a silver pot with some honey and keep it at your home and obviously at your eyesight. Then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign is Pisces. Employed people will have to work very hard during this day, and there will be a feeling of pain below the waist. So be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. And women should take care of their health seriously for this day. And obviously stay away from every kind of wrong company. And obviously stay in touch with every kind of positive people in your life. Some people can try to keep their work in front of you. Your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. Today, obviously respect the elders very seriously. Anyway, this was the judgment of Aries to Pisces from today's match, its question and remedial action. And I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagala Devi like every day. Let Hema keep everyone well and keep them healthy. And obviously create a very good situation in their life so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy also. Maybe I am here today, I will be back at the right time tomorrow, and I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measures to judge Pisces from Aries in front of you. For that time, take care and goodbye.